welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So welcome to the 4th episode of my series called as #review. So let me quickly give you guys this gist of my series. So basically in this series review, I shop from a specific brand and then depending on my shopping experience, I give you guys an in-detail review of the brand. So as I've already read by the title, in today's video I'm going to review this brand called as Bonkers, and trust me, I have a lot to say about this brand because I've shopped from this brand twice and दोनों टाइम मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अलग अलग था. So yeah, if you want to know all the deets of my Bonkers shopping experience, keep on watching today's video. Let's start by talking about the brand Bonkers. So Bonkers is an online clothing brand which sells apparel for both men and women. So starting from basics to prints, they have everything under one roof. And I feel this is a brand which stays very up to the date with trends, and depending on the ongoing trend, they launch their collections. I feel this brand has a very millennial and Gen Z aesthetic to it. Hence, it is very famous in our generation, I would say. And I was very keen to shop from this brand because it manufactures comfortable clothing, trendy clothing. So मुझे ये दोनों का मिक्सचर ऐड करना था मेरे वार्डरोब में. So hence I ended up shopping for a lot of different pieces but a lot of comfortable pieces as well. I hope this gives you guys a gist of this brand Bonkers. Now let's quickly move on to the delivery process. Talking about the delivery process, you guys. So as I mentioned earlier also, मैंने 2 बार शॉप किया है Bonkers से. So talking about my last year का delivery process. So I placed my order on the 16th of October and received my order on the 30th of October. So approx 15 days लगा मुझे order receive करने के लिए. So this year I had placed my order on the 17th of October and I received my order on the 21st of October. So approx 4 days. Last time मैंने मेरा order जब place किया था तभी post pandemic phase चल रहा था. So the delivery process was very slow. So that's definitely okay because as clearly ये साल मैंने 4 दिन में मेरा order receive किया है. But one thing that I definitely want to point out is that I did not receive any delivery message from Bonkers. मेरे को कोई tracking link नहीं आया मेरे package का. Last time भी और ये time भी I was like blank कि मेरे ऑर्डर के साथ हो क्या रहा है. बोथ द टाइम द डिलीवरी गाय रैंडमली शोड अप एट माय डोर एंड आई हैड जीरो क्लू कि आज मेरे को डिलीवरी मिलने वाली है. तो द मेल विच दे सेंड मी, उसमें ट्रैक योर ऑर्डर का लिंक था बट वो प्रोसेस ही हो रहा था. आई थिंक इट्स अ बेसिक नीड ऑफ एवरी कंज्यूमर टू स्टे इन द लूप ऑफ द एंटायर डिलीवरी प्रोसेस एंड टू रिसीव ऑल द बेसिक अपडेट्स रिगार्डिंग द डिलीवरी प्रोसेस. So I feel this is definitely something that Bonkers should consider. So that was about my delivery experience. Now let's quickly move on to the packaging part. So talking about the packaging part, last year when I received my order, it came wrapped into a normal bada wala plastic wrap, and once you open the wrap, हर एक item was individually packed. This year my package came wrapped into a big paper bag and अच्छे से Bonkers का logo printed था. And once you open it, last year की तरह हर एक item was individually wrapped. Definitely a big thumbs up for using paper packaging. So yeah, that was about my packaging ka part. Now let's quickly move on to the most awaited part in every video, which is the products that I got from Bonkers. I have shopped for this during their annual sales. So I'll be mentioning all the MRP and the sale price on the screen for your reference. So yeah, let's start with the haul part. So guys, last year I ordered 6 pieces and I'll quickly show you the pieces which I got first. So talking about this piece right here, so I got this oversized t-shirt from men's section. So basically this is a tie-dye t-shirt and tie-dye was very trending last year, so hence I got this for me and I love wearing oversized t-shirts. But I was definitely upset with this one because after one wash ये एकदम ऐसा old लगने लगा था. This t-shirt was the one which I wore सबसे पहले मेरे पूरे order में. So मेरा start ही बहुत ज़्यादा black हो गया था because I did not like the quality, you guys, and hence I did not like buy any other t-shirt this time. Then I ended up picking 3 tank tops. So talking about this tank top, so I wore this in Xoxo. If you have watched my Xoxo vlog, you can see I wore this. I definitely got this because of this cute print which is going on. Iska bhi quality I'm not a big fan. Moving to the second tank top, so I got this beige tank top. This is a very basic tank top again which I feel every girl should have. Winters के लिए perfect color palette भी है, and Mumbai winters के लिए this is a good option because as you know Mumbai में winters नहीं होते. I forgot to mention the sizes. So this is in XS. This is also in XS. एकदम body hugging है. Even this one is XS. I got this one because of the print and because of the color. I told you ना they have Gen Z and millennial वाला aesthetic clearly, as you can see. So yeah, this is the third tank top. Then the 5th item which I got is this one. Oh, ये उल्टा है. You can clearly see on the screen कि ये मेरे पे कैसा fit हो रहा है. I really like इसका fit, but I think I should have gone for S because ये body hugging हो जाता है. तभी जब मैंने लिया था तो ऐसे बैक वाला डिटेलिंग का जो ट्रेंड था वो ongoing था. So yeah, that was about my fifth item. And talking about my favorite item from this lot is this bralette top which I'm wearing right now. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you know I have used and abused this top, you guys. इसका size XS है. It fits very nicely on me. मैंने इसको रगड़ा है literally, but वॉश के बाद भी इसका क्वालिटी इज इंटैक्ट. इसका क्वालिटी इज वेरी वेरी नाइस. Hence I went bonkers literally when I placed my second order on Bonkers. Let's start with the second part of my order. So basically when I showed this bralette top to my mom, she also loved it. Again, I picked the exact same one which I'm wearing right now for my mom in her size. So the bralette top has a ribbed texture all over, as you can see on the screen, which I'm really a fan of. Then मैंने पांच अलग अलग कलर्स में सेम लिए हैं. So yeah, this is definitely my winter color palette, I would say. This one, then this one. So these you can definitely add in your winter wardrobe. And then I had to get a pop of color, so I went for this orange top. I'm telling you, जितने भी ऐसे ये कैटेगरी वाले टॉप्स थे मैंने सारे उठा लिए हैं इधर से. And then again, this color is all over Instagram, you guys. I am in love with this color. Now the last top that I got is this basic tank top. Now I got this in S because as I said, वो top का मेरा exercise था, वो body hugging था. This fits perfectly. So I feel में मेरा size S है and bralette top में मेरा size is XS. That was the last item which I got from Bonkers this time. So that covered my haul part. And now to conclude my entire shopping experience and to rate this brand, I would definitely give this brand a 2.5 out of 5 because some points were totally a miss for me and some points were totally a hit for me. So इसलिए मेरा marking system is 50-50 for this brand. But one thing that I would definitely like to point out over here is that if you are shopping during their annual sale, you would get basics at affordable rates, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया. So if you are paying say 200 for a bralette top and उसका quality इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा हो, I feel basics definitely deserves a thumbs up from my side. But yeah, talking about the prints, I don't think I'll be ever shopping printed options from Bonkers again. So prints definitely gets a thumbs down for me. So hence Bonkers gets a 2.5 out of 5 rating from my side. So yeah, you guys, that was about this video. I hope this video helps you if you are looking forward to shop from Bonkers. I hope I've covered everything. So yeah, if you're interested to watch more review episodes, I will definitely link the review playlist in the description box below. And let me know in the comments box below if you have any questions. And let me know which is the next brand that you would like me to hashtag review. So yeah, if you want to see how I style it, definitely make sure you're following me on my Instagram. And yeah, you guys, you know the drill. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. That being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye.